Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another decluttering video, but it's going to be more of a decluttering video of my apartment than with makeup. So I officially closed on my house last week. I am still currently in quarantine. I am not going to work right now. We are just waiting for all non-essential businesses to be able to start working again. Just a waiting game at this point. But so I've been finishing up a bunch of house stuff that has been taking up a lot of time in the last few days, but I officially closed. I'm officially a homeowner. I'm so excited. But we will not be moving out for another about 2 months, just because the people who are living inside the house right now, they need a couple extra months to finish building their house. So we won't be moving in until about mid-June, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. It gives me time to just like go through everything in this apartment, get rid of stuff that we don't need anymore. If you haven't seen, I've done a really big video on decluttering my makeup collection. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will link that video down below. It's very satisfying. It's one of my favorite decluttering videos that I've ever made. And I'm also gonna do a quick tour of my makeup collection right now. I did show before and after pictures in the decluttering video before, but a lot of you said that you wanted to see me kind of walk through and talk about the makeup really quick, so I will definitely do that. I didn't even think about doing that in the video. I was just so like caught up in the moment trying to get everything decluttered and thrown away. But today I'm going through I'm going to try to go through three really big problem areas in our apartment. For the most part, me and my sister, we do a really good job of keeping everything pretty decluttered. In like the main areas, like our living room, our bedrooms, our bathrooms, like we keep everything pretty clean. But there are 3, maybe 4 closets that really need to be taken care of. One of them is the closet in here. It is filled with both of our things. Me mostly, of film stuff and makeup stuff that I need to get rid of and just like kind of organize. And then we have our coat closet out in our hallway. It is filled to the brim of just random crap. But my closet needs some major decluttering. I need to go through a bunch of clothes, donate a bunch of clothes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. First, I'm gonna take you on a quick tour of the makeup collection really quick. So I'm gonna just show you my storage units really quick, just so you know kind of what I'm talking about. So I have these 2 tall Alex drawers right here, this tall Alex drawer right here, and then these 2 drawers down here. So I kept makeup in these 2 drawers and in this tall drawer. So I emptied out this one and this one. This is my lash drawer. This is my Halloween makeup drawer. These are my blushes and my bronzers, and then blushes, bronzers. These are my eyeliners. These are my primers, and then my liquid highlights right here, but the rest of these are primers. These are powders, so these are loose powders down here, and these are compact. Well, these ones are loose right here, but the rest are compact. This one is my highlighter drawer. And then this drawer is empty, and then down here is like film equipment. Okay, so this whole one is empty. I'm going to be giving this to my friend Lindsay, giving this one to my friend Dominique. Okay, and then now for the little drawers. So we've got mascaras, colored mascaras, and then brow products. And then we've got setting sprays, eyelid primers. This is my palette drawer. And this one is empty. It'll probably be used for palettes in the future, to be honest, because I get a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I never want to throw them away. And then this one is also empty. Okay, and then over here is my liquid eyeshadows and like glitter liquid eyeshadows, and then these are like my loose glitters. And then here are my concealers. This is my foundation drawer. Lipstick drawer. And And then down here is like, this is really old stuff. I haven't even gone through this. Like, I've had these for a really long time. These aren't cruelty free, but I got them sent to me such a long time ago that I use them for cleaning off my makeup brushes. I haven't even touched these, so I could probably give these away. But I have used this one for cleaning brushes before. So as you guys remember from the decluttering video, if you watched it, I had 5 bags to donate, 2 bags to give to my friends and family, and then I had these 3 bags for giveaways. So today I want to go through these bags and kind of organize some giveaways for you guys and make them a little bit easier to put together, just so I can have them ready to go once. And then after that, I have these 2 closets. They are just, I mean, they don't look super crazy, but I've had this pile of stuff in here for a really long time that I just really need to get rid of. And then over here, I just have a bunch of random stuff. And then my sister also hangs up some of her clothes in here. And then this is the real problem area over here that I need to go through. So I'm first gonna go through these bags and separate them into giveaways, take some photos of them, just get them ready to go. And then we'll work on the closet. Okay, so here is the finished product. I got rid of most of the stuff, and most of this, like pillows and blankets, those are going to be used for like a guest room or whatever. And then the remaining stuff, I mean, all the stuff hung up is Chloe's clothes, and then we just have some like essential stuff that I organized and kept. Okay, and now moving on to the hallway closet, and honestly, I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys this. You know how people have like junk drawers at home? Well, this is our junk closet. We just literally throw things in there where we don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to take care of that today. Okay, now moving on to my closet. So the clothes that I have hanging up, I usually go through pretty often. So really the only thing that I need to go through is my dresser right there, and it's usually in my closet, but I pulled it out for this video and to just make it easier to move eventually. So I'm not going to show you my top drawer because that has my underwear and stuff in it, and I actually just went through that, so I don't need to. But I'm going to go through these bottom 3 drawers and give away any clothes that I can. Okay, and here's the finished product. So this drawer has sweatpants and leggings. This drawer is t-shirts and swimsuits. And then this drawer is jeans and jean shorts. Okay, and then I just wanted to give you guys one walkthrough of my finally clean makeup room. This is the first time ever that I have not had bags full of makeup in this room. It feels so good to have everything cleaned out, to have all my makeup gone through and decluttered and given it away and ready to give to friends and stuff. And then here's the aftermath. So the pile on the right is what we are donating, and the pile on the left is what we're throwing away. Oh my god, what a journey. Okay everyone, that is it for this video. I think that I am pretty much done decluttering my whole apartment. Everything is nice and organized. All of the things that we don't use anymore are gone, and I am so thankful because this has been something that's been bugging me for probably like a year now, and it took moving out to finally do it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I personally love decluttering videos, whether that be household items or makeup, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know if you want to see any more videos like these. If you want to just see like a cleaning video, I'm gonna be doing like a deep clean of my apartment soon now that everything is gone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.